You know everything that somebody might want or not want in a kitchen. You ask the right questions. Things like the sink placements and knowing that they should be in front of a window, asking me whether or not I would like to have a sink in the island or not. I love not having a sink in the island. I think it creates a beautiful open space. My favorite part of the kitchen is this focal point with the dimmed glass cabinets and the custom hood that matches the island cabinetry.
It's a hand-painted metallic lacquer, which is also a very special finish. And also the finish that we happen to select for the cabinet itself is really special.
Yeah, I've always been obsessed with this. I've seen it in his showroom and I always gravitated back to it, but I just love it with the contrast of the dark lacquer. And then if I was gonna say one other thing that I love is the breakfast bar.
The breakfast bar it's absolutely beautiful. You know what's funny, we were looking at it as we're filming. It has a mix of like the display, but also practicality at the same time. So it's
Did
like
you open it?
Yeah, we opened it up. It's really beautiful. Pocket door systems are great. It lasts forever. So it has it all.
The kitchen is functional, beautiful, and Ori and his team just know what they're doing.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We
It was
love
a